Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we'll be making maple pecan mashed sweet potatoes. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 6 to 7 sweet potatoes, a half cup of butter, 1 cup of marshmallows, a half cup of halved pecans or a quarter cup of crushed pecans, a quarter cup of maple syrup, and a quarter cup of half and half or whole milk. We'll start by rinsing and peeling our sweet potatoes. Next, we'll cut the sweet potatoes into 1/2 inch to 1 inch cubes. The smaller you cut the potatoes, the quicker they will cook. Then, we'll fill our pot, covering our potatoes with 1 to 2 inches of water. Afterward, we'll place our sweet potatoes on the stovetop over medium heat and allow them to boil for an hour. While the potatoes are boiling, we'll crush our pecans. If you opted for chopped pecans, you can skip this step. We'll put our half cup of pecans into a Ziploc bag and use a rolling pin to crush them. Crushing the pecans with a rolling pin is easier than chopping pecans, but gives you the same effect. After we've boiled our potatoes for an hour, we'll drain them. Next, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Leaving our stovetop on medium heat, we'll melt our half cup of butter. After the butter has melted, we'll return our potatoes to the pot and turn off the stovetop. Then we'll add our quarter cup of half and half or whole milk and quarter cup of maple syrup and mash our sweet potatoes until they're smooth and creamy. After mashing our sweet potatoes, we'll stir in our quarter cup of pecans. Once we've stirred in our pecans, we'll spray a 2-quart 8x8 inch casserole dish with cooking spray. Then we'll transfer our mashed sweet potatoes to the casserole dish and smooth it out with a spatula. Next, we'll add our marshmallows. I prefer miniature marshmallows, but I wasn't able to get any at the store. So I'll take full-size marshmallows and cut them into quarters using kitchen shears, and then place a layer of marshmallows on top of my mashed sweet potatoes. If you prefer, you can use the full-size marshmallows. After we've prepared our casserole dish, we'll place the mashed sweet potatoes into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until the marshmallows puff up and become golden brown. It's been 20 minutes, and our sweet potatoes are now done. We'll serve these with our Christmas ham. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.